Hello and welcome to Student Spotlight, the podcast where we share real stories from students who are making their mark in academics, personal growth, and beyond. And again, I'm your host, Rachel. And today, we are excited to have Jermaine Serbana, a student in Bachelor of Science in Hospitality Management, who's been doing incredible working balance academics. Let's welcome Jermaine Serbana.
Hello, Charmaine. Hello, Charmaine. So, first of all, tell us about yourself and also what you are studying for and what your field do you choose.
I'm Charmaine B. Serbana. I'm 18 years old and my hobby are singing and playing online games. I'm currently studying at St. Bernadette, Alabang, and I'm taking the BSHM course, Bachelor of Science in Hospitality Management. Masasabi ko yung course na to is ito ay tugma sa passion ko, kung ano yung gusto ko nung bata pa ako, at kung ano yung magiging gusto kong trabaho sa pagtanda ko. Nakikita ko yung sarili ko na magiging successful ako sa path na pinili ko.
Bali, gusto mo talaga yung BSAT. That good scores. Bali, outside of your study, do you have any other hobbies or do you want to pursue?
Yes, like I said before that I can sing, so I want to work with the hospitality industry with the hotel that have a entertainment so I can sing later. So my ability or my passion or hobby will include in my passion.
So, passion mo talaga yung singing. Do you dance? So, being a student is not easy, right? So, what's one major challenge that you face and how did you overcome?
Ang major problems na hinaharap ko ngayon as a student is yung pagsisend ng mga teacher na mga gawain na sabay-sabay at sabay-sabay yung daily life. Like, ako ay nai-stress at minsan, napupunta ito sa depression. Pero, meron mga taong tumutulong sa akin na isipin kung ano ba yung mga dapat unahin para maayos kong magawa lahat ng pinapagawa ng mga professor.
So, that's really inspiring. On the other hand, what an achievement you're most proud of as well?
So, as a student, I can see that I accomplished my goal or my dream when I was a kid that graduate ng my honor. So, I graduate as a high honor or valedictorian in our school. So, I can say that this is my greatest accomplishment in my study.
So, ano nga yung feeling mo nung time nung natawag ka ng sa'yo?
Sa totoo lang, hindi ko ina-expect na ayun yung magiging position ko daw sa school as a student. Kaya nagulat talaga ako. Pero syempre masaya kasi naman namang hindi sasaya dahil yung pagod na ginugol mo sa pag-aaral mo, nagkaroon ko ng magandang resulta. Kaya yun.
So, many of our listeners are students looking for advice. What one piece of advice that you give to someone trying to balance studies, personal life, and also personal life?
Ang may papayo ko lang sa mga students na pinagsasabay yung work, yung goal, and yung study nila, ang ituon muna nila sa isip nila kung ano yung mga importante. Unahin nila yung mga may time or may limit ng sagot na hindi sila may stress at hindi sila mapupunta sa depression na sinasabi ko kung magsasabay-sabay yung mga gawain nila. Ang pinaka-importante lang
what about your dream job? Do you have any dream job?
Dati, nung bata ako, wala talaga akong dream job. Parang sumasabay lang ako sa agos ng buhay. Kung ano yung tatapusin ko, kung ano yung magiging trabaho ko. Siyempre, kung pinaghirapan mo naman, magiging proud ka. So, my dream job is it depends on the flow of my life kung saan ako mapupunta.
Bali, it is what it is naman. So, this is a big conversation, Chan. Thank you for sharing your journey and also insight with us. Before we go, do you have any other final words or favorite quote you like to share with other students?